want to work out, I want to lift weights because I love my body too much so I can serve others. Because if
Yes.
my body is not okay, if I'm sickly, if I'm always, my mental health is shit.
Pero what changed? What made you decide na, hey, it's time for me to gawin na to?
It's the year where parang meron akong year of yeses.
Oh,
And it's a
Yeah.
difficult situation every day.
Yes.
Pero sis, you can't pour from an empty cup.
Remember passing around slam books when you're in high school? Those questions about your crush, your dreams, your friends, and even your first love. We thought they were just for fun.
But what if those questions actually held the secrets to success?
Welcome to Slam Book Millionaire! This is the podcast where we ask the millionaires the same slam book questions to uncover how their childhood and teenage years shaped their path to wealth.
Each week, we will sit down with inspiring individuals to reveal the hidden stories behind their extraordinary journeys.
We will discover how their childhood dreams became realities, how they overcame their biggest challenges, and who helped them along the way. My name is Joanna.
My name is Jav. Get ready to be inspired and learn from the slam book secrets of the self-made millionaires.
Subscribe now, and together, let's unlock the secrets to success.
Welcome to Slam Book Millionaire, Episode 6! Tinandaan ko na instruction. So, Jeff, how are you?
I am so excited because finally, she is here.
Who's here?
The
Tell us
one and
more.
Nakilala ko to sa isang event in Baguio.
Mhm.
Pwede ba natin i-mention yung name ng event? Oh,
yeah.
It's
Thanks to our dear friend.
Yes,
Don
those are
Soriano.
Kanegosyo community. And she was one of our speakers. And ito masasabi ko, she's one of the people who really inspired me to show up online.
Mhm.
Because I remember her statement. It started because she has different, like multiple businesses.
Yeah, 14 in total.
Oh, diba?
Naalala ko yun sa notes ko.
And sinabi niya, everything started because I showed up online.
Yes.
And that was like, okay, I think that's a sign for me already na, siguro it's time, Jeff, to show up online. Diba? So that's why after her talk, during our, what do you call this? Chika-chika. Chika-chika,
Yes.
networking.
Talagang
Talagang,
networking night. Yung wine.
yes,
yarn,
nilapitan
oo.
ko talaga siya. You know what really inspired me?
Mhm.
Kasi ganun din ako before. Parang takot na takot akong show up online. Takot na takot akong magsalita in front of people. I resent public speaking.
Mhm.
But when I heard your story and you said that everything started when I showed up online,
Mhm.
it got me thinking, what's stopping you? Really?
Yes.
Bakit ba? Parang you were given different opportunities to propel and move forward.
Mhm.
However, you were the one actually stopping
Yeah,
it. You are
with all the
belittling.
excuses,
Yes. Because of the fears na wala naman. Hindi naman
Yes.
totoo. Because of the what if,
Mhm.
na what if kung anong sasabihin nila,
Yes.
they would criticize you or judge you because
But the
maybe,
criticism and the judgment is actually coming
yes,
from you.
akin lang.
Ay,
It all
meron
started
na po
in my mind.
meron na po tayong therapy session one-on-one. Yes, but it's true,
True.
diba?
And it all started when I said that actually my message is more than my fears
True.
and my limiting beliefs. Kaya thank you for this person. Isa lang siya sa madaming tao. And ikaw yung isa doon, di ba?
Aray ko,
She was
sorry,
the one
hindi ako
really,
malaglag sa upuan.
she was the one really pushing me. Jowerly, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko, hindi, sige, ikaw na lang muna. Diba? It
But
took me
of
like many
course,
years.
Yes. Malapit na po ako mag-invoice dito sa babaeng ito dahil ang dami na po namin ginawang projects together. But yeah, speaking of our guest today, no, I'm so excited also to learn more from her. Saglit
Yes, of
pa lang
course.
natin siya nakikilala. Sobrang few months pa lang, honestly, since we met. Pero parang ang tagal na nung friendship, yung closeness, parang biglang, alam mo yung long lost friends na biglang nagkita ulit and then suddenly parang you just feel the gap and then you just talk anything under the sun na walang ano. And also she inspired me as well.
Yeah.
Although I've been showing up in the
Social media.
social media space, nandun pa rin yung apprehensions ko eh. So she's one of those people who also motivated me to make the decision to finally owe it.
Yes.
Because so many people are telling
Aminin
me.
mo, right after you talk, You message Yani.
Yes. No, yeah, actually,
Diba? Jeb.
dalawa yan silang speaker na sa susunod.
Yes.
So, dalawa yan sila. Tapos sabi ko talaga, nag-message na kagad ako kay Yani, nag-set up na kagad ako ng
Yes.
meeting, and I just told you nga, girl,
Let's
meron
do
na
this.
tayong meeting with Yani. And because she's here na.
Yes,
So,
ipakilala
syempre,
na natin.
Ang haba ng introduction natin, Diyos ko mio. So, ano na ba? Napapagod na ba kayo sa introduction namin? Sabi niya, sino ba kasi to? Siyempre, alam niyo
Mga
naman,
naka 10
malamang-
minutes na tayo, intro pa
Oo,
lang.
Hindi alam naman nila, may teaser tayo. But anyway, without further ado, let's
Oh,
welcome
yes.
her in. Let's call her in. Actually, nandito naman na siya sa tabi natin. The one, the only.
Riza Lana!
Hello!
Sebastian!
Hello, mga madam. Thank you for having me, Madam Joanna and Madam
Of
Jeff.
course!
Grabe naman ang pa-intro. Medyo na-pressure ako ng matindi. Na parang
Medyo
ano kaya sasabihin ng babaeng to? Inspiring kaya talaga ba siya?
Understatement pa lang yan.
Oh, thank you. I am equally inspired by you with all of the things that you're doing and inspiring people as well. And I'm proud of you.
Huh?
Thank you for having me in Slam Book Millionaire.
Oh, yes.
Imagine,
Slay.
after the session in Baguio, di ba nag-set up kagad tayo ng meeting few days after, and
Correct.
we happened to call through talaga, and then we asked her a lot of questions because Jeff and I really gotten serious na dun sa plan nga to actually show up online. Pero this podcast, hindi pa siya nag-i-exist at that time. It was
Yeah.
just creating videos for
Yep.
personal branding. So that was the first project that we had. And then eventually, alam mo yun, di ba sabi nga nalang ganun, yung Providence, Himalayan, this is during the Himalayan expedition, when
You were there?
when yeah, I was there. Na parang sinasabi niya doon, it was a very long quote eh. Pero yung sa Himalayan expedition, when when you are actually committed and decided to do something, suddenly everything falls into the right
Yeah,
place.
all the help.
All the help,
Uh-huh.
all the resources, and eto, kasama na yun dito. Kaya thank you sa'yo din. Kasi ang dami mong insights na binato sa amin. We really appreciate. And also, napaka-generous mo at kahanga-hanga. 14 businesses, girl, at a
Imagine.
very young age.
Girl boss.
Diba? Girl power talaga.
Yes. And actually, ang nakaka-inspire, no, she's doing it with her husband.
Yes,
Diba?
together.
Together.
Couple idol. So, dahil dyan,
Couple
simulan na natin
girls.
yung Islam Book Millionaire
Ayan na.
natin.
Ready
So,
na ako
dahil-
dito,
Oo.
madam.
Dahil power girl ka, no? Sino sa Powerpuff gusto?
Sino sa Powerpuff Girls?
Pero
I
kilala mo
would
sila.
say- Sasagutin ko
Oh
na.
my God, sige, sino?
Ako, I feel like si Bubbles ako.
Ay,
Parang, I'm cutesy, but I still make the job done.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah,
but I think,
powerful.
yeah, she's also the most popular among the Powerpuff
I'm
na
not so
characters.
sure.
Sino ba yung
Madalas
iba?
ko marin- Kasi Bubbles naman din talaga alam ko, kaya
Bubbles.
nagulat ako sinagot niya.
Yeah, si Bubbles, the light blue one.
Yes. Sino yung pink?
Si Blossom.
Si Blossom.
Yeah.
So ako feeling ko si Blossom. It's because of the
And with
pink.
your hair also.
Yeah.
Color pink. Yung isa red?
Si
Or
Green.
green.
Si Buttercup.
Yes. Pero ikaw,
tama.
pero ikaw talaga, cutesy, girly ka ever since.
Well, yeah. I've always been the mahinhin kind of
In the
person.
family?
Way back.
Mhm.
If you ask my high school friends, elementary friends, I was a wallflower. As in talagang kung hindi mo ako kakausapin, hindi kita kakausapin, hindi
Okay ka
dahil
lang,
hindi
ganun.
dahil maldita ako, pero dahil I'm
Mahiyain.
shy. I was
Mm.
extremely shy. Katulad ni Madam Jeff, sobrang nahirapan din ako with public speaking. As in, I abhor it. As in, parang nung hindi ako sumasali sa mga extemporaneous speech. Kasi hindi ko
Mhm.
kaya yun. Mag-speech choir na lang tayo. O
Wow,
kaya,
yes.
diba? Cheering, ganon. Pero hindi ko kaya yung mag-isa ka lang
Ganda,
magsasalita.
ganda lang yung ano talaga.
Oo.
Oo.
Ganon
Pero
po.
what changed? What made you decide na, hey, it's time for me to, gawin na to?
Ako, madam, I feel like the catalyst with that is the year where parang meron akong year of yeses. So ako kasi very matatakotin girly ako. I'm such a soft girly. Sobrang
Ganito ka talaga ka-soft-spoken.
I think so.
Paano kaya siya magalit? Galit na
I
ako.
think hindi ako masyadong mahilig magalit kasi I feel
Ah.
like I don't want to expend a lot of
Yes,
energy
energy.
Yes.
with galit.
So the catalyst was.
So the catalyst was I think it was way back 2019. That was my year of yeses.
Mhm.
So as a takot girly, sabi ko sige, parang ang feeling ko nililimit ko yung sarili ko sa mga
Yeah.
kakayahan ko.
Correct.
So I feel like I think it's time to show up online. I
Mhm.
think it's time to parang do speaking engagements. Pero nung time na yon, wala naman masyadong opportunities pa. Pero there was this time na si Ayin Bernos, so if you don't know it yet, I also have a podcast called Camp Confidence Radio. I co-host it with Ayin Bernos. So
Mhm.
Ayin is a
Ay, she's
stranger.
the traveler.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we met her sa BGC.
Yeah, ano
Yes.
siya, hindi pa kami magkakilala, but she
Mm.
reached out to me. Fina-follow ko siya on YouTube. Tapos parang sabi ko, oh my God, may message ako ni Ayin Bernos. Kinikilig ako,
Fangirly.
ganyan.
Oo.
Tapos parang sabi niya, hi Riz, can I call you? I just have a pitch. So nung sabi ko, sige, okay, noted. Tapos call kami, ganyan. Sabi niya, Riz, I'm looking for a co-host for my podcast. Tapos parang ako, wala akong kaalam-alam sa podcast. Hindi ako magaling magsalita, hindi ako magaling mag-ing. Alam mo yan, lahat ng mga self-limiting beliefs
and
natin.
doubts, fears.
But
Yeah.
it was my year of yeses.
Yes.
So,
yes
parang-
tayo.
Even before the call happened, you already have an intention that in every
Yes.
opportunity, mag-yes
Yeah,
ka.
I think that was around March. Then
What happened
we
sometime that, yun yung gusto kong
2019.
malaman.
Um,
Bakit ka nag-decide na maging yes?
Ako, I think, sabi ko kasi gusto ko rin talagang mag-expand
I see.
as a
Yes.
person.
Yes.
Mhm.
And I feel like if I expand as a person, I can help more people. Kasi
True.
I feel like, kasi dati yung limiting belief ko, parang ang boring ko, wala namang makikinig sa akin.
Mm.
Well, I don't wanna document my life kasi,
Here. Yes.
well, boring naman yung buhay ko. Nung sabihin ko, nagpapaklang ako ng orders,
Same,
ganon.
same.
Tapos,
Meron po tayong audience dito.
Okay,
May
same,
audience
same,
impact
yes,
po.
yes.
Audience
So
impact po,
relate,
15%.
I can so relate.
ganon. Tapos parang sabi ko na I think it's time to expand myself, to say yes to opportunities kasi I feel like if I keep on saying no to things,
Yes.
alam mo yun, parang baka
Magtatampo
hindi
si
na ako,
universe.
baka hindi na ako bigyan ng
True.
opportunities ni universe.
Because the opportunities won't wait for you to be
Yes,
ready.
correct.
Yes,
So
it will go to the next person who's more ready.
Correct.
Correct.
Parang ayaw mo, diwag, o sige, wag na lang. Ganon.
Yes.
So, ayoko naman ng ganon, di ba? So, I think it was around March. Then, we shot my first ever podcast with Ayin. And then, that was season 2. And now, I think we're season 9 or season 10.
Wow.
So,
Tagal na.
And we talk
Ayun.
about anything about the sun.
we talk anything about the sun, confidence, success,
Mhm.
failures,
So this is
business.
once a week, yung podcast
Yes.
ninyo? Okay.
Ah.
It's
And parang more of conversation between you and I. Parang ganun lang talaga
yes.
siya.
It's more of chika like this.
Okay.
So, mga ganon. So, yun yung parang naging, shift na sabi ko, wait lang. Year of yeses tayo. Tapos doon talaga, madam, nag-flow yung opportunities na parang, wait lang, it's not too scary naman pala.
Mhm.
Kasi na confidence is really a muscle. And if you keep
Yes.
on,
Doing it.
using it, and
Yes.
tsaka iba rin yung nabibuild na self-confidence kapag ginagawa mo talaga yung sinasabi mong gusto mong gawin para sa sarili mo. Kasi usually, 'di ba, pag may commitment tayo sa iba, gagawin natin. Pero
Mhm.
madalas yung commitment
Sa
natin sa
sarili.
sarili natin, next year na lang.
Yes.
Parang
We're
ganon.
always selling
And-
ourselves so cheaply.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly.
Yes.
Sabi ko, hindi. It's time for me naman.
Yes, and when you prayed for it, sometimes be
Yes.
careful what you pray for
Yes.
kasi talagang darating.
Correct.
So
Totoo
dapat
yun.
nandiyan na be ready
Mm, yeah.
and
And
accept it.
looking at her, talagang you're happy. And now you're doing a lot of contents. You have a lot of
Mm.
business serving other people, no?
Mm.
So, ang next question ko sa'yo, who's your crush? I mean,
My crush.
Diretso.
Ganun
Diretso.
talaga. Crush
Ganito,
agad.
oo. Ganun
Okay.
tayo.
Anong
Ganun
crush?
tayo mag-connect.
Mamaya
Hindi,
makasira
eto.
tayo
Hindi
ng
crush,
Okay.
hindi ice crush.
Oo.
Hindi, sino yung crush mo when you were starting on this? Parang, is there a person
Yeah.
that you were looking up to?
When
You
I
admire,
was
yeah.
starting my business, one of my parang idols or mentors that I look up to or crush, we would say, is Sofia Amoruso. So Sofia
Oh.
Amoruso is a businesswoman who founded Nasty Gal.
Mhm.
So si
Ano siya,
Nasty
di ba? Medyo
Gal.
girly-girly.
Yes,
yun.
girly-girly siya. Tapos parang she's so
Fashionista.
spunky, she's so
Yeah.
cool. Eh, ako, di ba, yung parang medyo
Oh, a woman with a,
timid,
yeah, yes,
gano'n,
I love that.
tahimik, gano'n.
A woman
So,
with a spunk that she
yeah,
is.
sabi ko,
Yes.
shucks, parang gusto ko rin maging ganun ka-cool.
Yeah.
Because I know that I was so uncool back then.
Mhm.
Tapos parang sabi ko, parang gusto ko maging, kasi ang galing niya magsulat, ang galing niya with business, ang galing niya with people. And parang yun, doon ko talaga na sundan yung, tapos nagkaroon siya ng Netflix series. What? Hello. So yun, parang
Next na tayo
she's
doon.
been inspiring me ever since talaga.
So even until now, siya pa rin talaga yung number one crush mo? Or are
Ah,
there other people who came?
There are locally Francis Kong. I love Sir Francis. Parang I met him like in real life and he's so humble, very very humble,
Ah.
very very generous also. Um Leila Hermosi, yung asawa ni Alex
Yeah,
Alex
Hermosi.
Hermosi.
Yes,
He's
yes.
She's also a
very
speaker.
she's also very
Mhm,
brilliant. She
mhm.
has this podcast and YouTube as well. She's so smart. Ano
So
pa ba?
smartness is actually very important for you, no? Kasi I noticed during our conversation about marriage, husband, ang nag-draw talaga sa'yo ako parang, you admired yung husband mo because super smart niya ka.
Yeah. And
So
Joshua,
talaga
of
pag,
course, he's my ultimate crush forever and
yes.
ever.
So kapag matalino talaga yung tao, naaano
Oo.
ka, natitame ka, parang wow,
Yes.
napapawaw ka talaga sa tao.
Natutuwa ako kapag
May
people can
substance.
hold conversations na parang,
Mhm.
ako pa naman, parang nag-evolve, lalo kapag comfortable ako sa tao,
Mhm.
matabil na ako. Ang dami ko ng chika, uy, alam mo ba, ganito,
Introvert.
ganyan,
Ganun talaga
ganyan.
mga
Yes.
Diba?
introverts.
Yung mga introverts kapag comfortable sila with people, like with you guys. So, I can chika all I want.
You feel safe.
Ayan, I feel safe also. So, yeah, smarts talaga and wisdom sa
Correct.
totoo.
Usually, smart women also. Na sila, they admire men who's smart as well.
Mhm.
Kasi common na
Same
yan for women, diba?
Yeah,
Yeah.
When you, during a conversation, if the guy talks about yung sarili lang,
Oo.
Hindi, at saka,
force you.
Sa akin talaga, madam, sorry. Pogi is, ay parang smarts is mas mas cutesy
Yes,
sa akin kaysa
Yes.
pogi.
Alam
Yun
mo,
yung
Ganon.
mas sexy for you.
Yes,
Yung brainy
the brains
na guy.
talaga.
actually, that is actually very important na ma-instill natin sa mga kabataan right now. Kasi alam mo, yung kagapuhan, nawawala talaga
Yes,
yan.
totoo.
Over
Pero yung
time.
katalanuhan, nagre-retain yan
Oo.
eh. So, you wouldn't want to be spending so much of your time with somebody na ang alam lang pag-usapan is kung
About
ano
themselves.
lang, about themselves lang,
Yeah.
kung ano lang yung mga mabababaw na nasa paligid, na hindi
Correct.
man lang, wala na expansion, wala nang growth dun sa
Mhm.
conversation.
Yeah,
Na-stagnate.
it's so
right?
nice to talk to someone with same wavelength.
Yes.
Diba? Kahit,
Same
oh my
frequency.
God, parang 10 o'clock na. And
Oo.
hindi mo
Hindi mo
na-feel, hindi ka
Totoo yun.
nabobore.
Yes.
And aside from that, of course, aside from being smart, also yung kalooban.
Yes.
Right?
Yan talaga. Kindness.
True.
Is
And
the,
you and Josh came from, or talagang nag-start kayo sa Youth for
For
Christ.
Yes.
o
That's
diba?
why yun yung
Same
sabi ko,
values.
sabi ko, kasi Francis Kong, because nga you came from Youth for Christ.
Yes.
So, very ka talaga, spiritual religious.
yeah,
ka din.
very, very spiritual.
Okay. So, kanina you mentioned about Netflix. Ano mga
Mm.
favorite movies mo kapag when you're feeling inspired, meron ka bang ganyan? O, halimbawa, meron kayong kapag medyo sad, ay hindi, mas gusto ko to. Pag
Oo.
medyo parang dampen yung spirit mo, yung
Oo.
parang medyo lazy-lazy yung pakiramdam mo, and you need some pick-me-up, ganyan. May mga movie ka na binabalikan para ma-inspire ka ulit, ganahan ka ulit.
Ako, madam, ang pick-me-up ko is Modern Family. It's not a movie, but it's a series.
Si
We
ano, diba?
love
Sophia?
series. Yes,
Sophia.
Sofia Vergara. I
Nakakatawa
love
si
her.
Pangalan niya
Sophia.
doon?
Si, ano ba?
Kalimutan ko na. Basta siya.
Asawa siya ni Jay.
Yeah!
Grandpa.
Yeah. Super
Yeah.
naman kasi talaga. Iba
Mm-mm.
naman din talaga yung Modern Family. So, babalik
So
mo
yeah,
talaga.
it just, ako kasi, kami din, madam, kasi my family is very tight-knit. I love my family to bits.
Mhm.
As in, kapag magkikita kami, kahit kahapon ko lang sila nakita, as in, grabe, tight hugs talaga kami. So, it just
Mm.
resonated with me so much, yung Modern Family. Especially in this wild world that we are
Yeah.
living in business, especially everything's snappy decisions. But it just Modern Family just really grounds me with what really is my
Mm-mm.
definition of success. Kasi 'di ba sa negosyo parang laging what's the next big thing, magkano ang i-reach nating profits. But
Yes.
for me kasi talaga, yes, nagnenegosyo tayo para sa pera, but it really just grounds me na pamilya ang
Yes.
definition mo of success.
Usually talaga, with Filipino family,
Yeah.
culture natin, number one talaga na is always family.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Totoo
But
yun.
you know
Family-oriented
what?
talaga tayo.
Honestly, medyo parang nalulost touch na rin, no? So, I love that you said about it because really, the family is the smallest unit of the society. Pero, yun yung pinaka-importante. Kasi
Mm.
doon talaga nagpo-form ang values, doon
Mhm.
talaga nagpo-form yung personality natin. Eh. What we are seeing with our parents and also ano yung na-experience natin sa mga siblings natin. So, na-mention mo kanina, di ba, you have 3 siblings.
Yeah.
Kamusta kayo as a family? Kayo ng mga siblings. Ano yung
Anong
mga favorite
dynamics
things
nyo?
ninyong gawin?
Oh my God, sobrang love na love ko yan. Hi, shout out kay Miko and kay Louie. They are my mga kapatid. Sobrang tight-knit namin.
Mhm.
Tipong, we do our walks together, we share our hobbies together. So we are into fitness and we also have parang
Galing.
mga hobbies. So minsan as in kahit random hobbies, tipong sticker making, wall climbing, sabay-sabay namin talagang
Sobrang
gagawin.
random.
Nakakatuwa.
As in,
Parang
very
kudos to your parents. Kasi
Yes.
usually, nagsastart yan sa kung paano kapag kailangan, sinabi mo ng parents niyo, magmahalan kayo dahil kayo lang yung magkakasama.
Siyempre, nung bagets kami, warla talaga.
Bardagulan.
Bardagulan, di ba? Bugbugan. Ay, pwede ba yun? Edit mo na lang. Tapos pero, nung medyo may nag-mature na kami, slightly, sobrang close talaga.
Ito na yung level ng maturity.
Yeah, medyo
ganyan.
tumaas ng konti. Ganun. Ito nung bata, medyo, ganun lang.
So, kung ikaw yung introvert, sila din ba introvert? O may
Yes.
extro? Talaga?
Yes, they are.
Your
We
parents are
all
all
are.
introverts ba?
Yung dad ko extrovert, mom is introvert.
Yeah. Usually talaga may isa sa family na extrovert.
Tatay
Siya
ko
yung-
lang talaga yung machika. Hi! Kaibigan ng
Masaya.
lahat. Ganon.
Ma-PR.
Yes.
Speaking of being introvert, how do you recharge? Diba? Now you have 14 businesses.
Mhm.
How do you recharge? Do you watch Netflix ba? Or
The nails.
Ay, yes.
Feeling ko the nails is one of them.
Madam, dito galing ang pasensya natin.
Nabanggit mo yan sa Baguio during our chika-chikahan na pinaka-importante sa'yo talaga. Bukod kasi may negosyo ka na nail salon, it's actually very important for you yung part ng
Yes.
talaga, showing up mo yung kuko.
I feel like I'm being taken care of.
Oh,
If
yes.
my nails
Ang ganda
are
naman
pretty.
kasi talaga.
Di ba ang arte
So,
ko?
I'm sad.
Ayoko
Ay, totoo yun.
eh.
Totoo talaga
Totoo,
yun.
yes.
Kapag
I'm
kunwari,
sorry,
ganito,
nails.
parang kailangan kong ibahin yung kulay ng nails ko kasi ganito yung...
Parang ano
Depende
ka
ba sa
ba?
mood? Depende sa mood. Do you change it like every week?
I change it every 3 weeks.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Di ba
Ganon.
yung ibang babae, kasi sabi nila, di ba, ang babae daw, malalaman mo na may pagbabago sa buhay niya.
Sa hair.
Abangan mo sa hair. So kapag broken-hearted, bago rebound.
Ganon.
Cut talaga
Cut
yung
ang
diba?
hair.
Change
Pero
hair.
sa ever since short hair ka.
I think na mga 2009, ay, napaghahalataan ng edad ko.
Napaghalata nilang 19 years old ka pala.
Yeah, 9 years old lang ako noon. Nagpaganito na ako, madam.
So
Yeah.
you've been maintaining the hair
Yeah.
for a very
What's
long
your
time.
inspiration?
Ano ba? Oh, there was this Miss Universe way back
Mhm.
na I forgot the country pero
Short pixie
naka-pixie hair shots. Parang sabi
Parang
ko, ang
naalala ko
angas
yan.
naman ito.
First time ever?
First time
Yes.
ever.
Kasi usually long hair.
Long
diba?
hair.
Yes.
Oo.
Tapos parang sabi ko, oh my God, she's so cool. Ganon. So
Kasi
ako
usually,
din.
pag sinabi mong
Mm-mm.
perfect woman, long hair,
Long
tall,
hair, correct.
then suddenly, uy, may pixie hair.
Yeah. And
Hindi mo kasi
also,
nila tayo kilala ng time na yun, diba?
and also
Tama.
because I'm so tamad with hair. So,
Yes.
there are women na talagang pang-relax nila yung pag ng hair nila.
Hair
Pero
nila.
ako talaga, I just really want it
Wash
wash and
and
wear.
Yes.
Parang
Yes.
ang dami kong ginagawa sa buhay. Parang ayoko nang isipin yung buhok ko,
Correct.
di ba?
Yes.
So anyway, I wanna go back to how do I relax. So aside from nails, I really make sure that I move. So fitness is very, very
Oh, yeah.
important to
Oo.
me.
That's
Um,
part of your me
Daily
time,
routine.
Yes,
family
daily routine ko talaga, madam.
time.
As in, my mornings are sacred. So, from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m., di nyo talaga ako makokontakt kahit
What
anong
do you do
mangyari.
between those
So,
times?
7 a.m., I start my spirituality. So, that's meditation, journaling, praying. And then, by
Intention process.
7:30, I meet my trainer, si
Mhm.
Miss O. Hi, Miss Odette Mills. Love you.
Like
So,
via, as in like,
Zoom.
okay.
Also,
Wow.
'di ba, ang tamad ko, kaya sa Zoom lang tayo. Yan
So,
ang energy
mag-workout kayo sa
natin, 'di
Zoom
ba? Yes, mag-workout kami together over
Galing.
Zoom. And then we finish
Paano
around.
saglit, sorry paano mag-walking sa Zoom?
I know, I lift weights.
Treadmill.
I lift weights, madam.
Okay, okay.
So,
yes.
sa walking ko, talagang sa labas ng bahay para may
Oo.
sunlight or ano.
True.
So, ayan, I finish my workout around 8:30, then I
So,
have
but 1.5 hours ang allocated.
yeah,
1
1 hour,
yes.
1 hour for my fitness. And then, after nyan, ano na, breakfast, o kaya, ano na, prepare,
Mm-mm,
ganyan.
mm-mm.
So,
So your
yun.
morning is your me time.
Yeah, it's really my me time. Kasi, sabi ko, I just really need to put myself first before I can give
True.
something for
Yes,
others.
yes.
Kasi, sa totoo lang, madam, I never would have imagined that I'd be that kind of person who would tell people na mag-workout kayo para sa mental health nyo. Kasi dati, "Men, kaya natin yan. Ganon. Anong workout? Nahirapan ka na nga. Tapos magbubuhat ka pa. Pahirapan mo sarili mo. Pero the mindset shift was, I wanna work out. I wanna lift weights because I love my body too much so I can serve others. Kasi if
Yes.
my body is not okay, if I'm sickly, if I'm always, my mental health is shit,
Yes.
I can't serve my people.
Mm,
I
true.
can't serve my community. So, yeah,
Ang
yun
ganda
talaga
nun.
yung mindset ko. Na tipong kapag nahihirapan ka, 'di ba, ko pahirapan yung sarili ko. It's more of, I am doing this because I want to reward my body, my physical body for functioning every day for my business.
Yeah,
And
that's
that's
a really good
how you
mindset.
define self-love. Diba?
Yes,
Kasi
true.
others, ano yung self-love? Salon. Actually, no.
Sakit mo
You-
na magsalita ako yun eh.
It's part.
lang.
It's part.
I feel attacked.
It's part.
You choose yourself
Yeah.
first.
Oo.
Yes.
And it's a difficult situation every day.
True.
Yes.
Kasi para sa ating mga, especially sa ating mga kababaihan, it's
Mm-mm.
always pagsilbihan muna ang iba bago
Yes.
tayo, ang sarili natin.
Oh
Last
my
na
gosh.
tayo.
Yes.
Pero sis, you can't pour from an empty cup.
True.
Correct.
So-
Be selfish before you can be selfless.
Yes.
Sabi nga ni Gary Vaynerchuk. May question ulit ako sa'yo. So since
Ang dami
you're
mo
a
naman
healthy...
tanong.
Yes, bring it
Nagkasama
on.
ng 149
Bring it
questions.
on.
tayo.
Mga naka-58. So, asan na nga ako?
Question.
Kasi diba healthy ka. What's your favorite sinful food?
Anong simple food?
Sinful.
Sinful.
Hindi kasi sa other people kasi.
Unhealthy food.
Unhealthy
Unhealthy food?
cakes can be a sinful food for them.
Sinful.
Sinful.
Ang narinig ko, simple.
Sinful.
Sinful. Okay.
Okay.
Linis na yung tenga.
Kasi anong simple food? Sinful. Okay.
Sinful.
I would...
Narinig mo naman sinful,
Yes,
no?
sinful,
Ikaw
sinful.
talaga. Direct pakilabas.
Ako, I would say it would be salted egg potato chips.
Oh, sarap, Irvings.
Irvins.
Ay, nagsabi ng
Sarap.
brand.
Baka
Oh,
naman.
Baka
Baka naman po.
Sabi nga ni Ninong Rai, baka naman, hashtag.
Oo. Hindi naman po namin sinasabing mag-sponsor kayo for this
Irving.
Pero pwede
episode.
din naman.
Meron
Pero-
ba kayo sa Mega Mall branch?
True. Ayan, yan talaga. Yan ang
Uy, parang gusto ko tuloy bumili mamaya.
Di ba?
Huwag ka na. Nasa diet tayo.
slay.
Uy, wag
Oo.
na. Ano naman to, rewarding ourselves.
Yes.
Self-care, I do it for me.
Self-care. Oo.
I choose myself first.
Bakit
Yeah.
yun? Bakit yun yung gusto mo?
Sige. Bakit yun ang gusto ko? I think that's the one that's inside my head right now. Kasi yun yung parang recent craving namin ni Josh.
Oh.
So parang yun yung unang
Hindi niyo
nag-pop
pa
sa isip
nakakain?
ko. Nakain na namin.
Okay.
Nung 2 days ago. Kasi kami ni Josh, hindi kami masyadong ma-chips.
Mhm.
We try our best to eat
Stay
clean
away, yes.
talaga, stay away. Siguro ang chips namin siguro mga once or twice a month, ganun.
Uy,
But,
hello naman.
Speaking of yung mga cravings, you mentioned during the KNC na, because they have a restaurant,
Okay.
and you serve only yung food na kinikrave
Gusto
niya lagi.
namin lagi.
O kaya yun, di ba concept siya?
Yes,
Concept restaurant
oo.
siya na every now and then, nag-change talaga yung, wait, dapat doon tayo kumain.
Next time.
Sabi ko nga
yeah.
ang lapit na nga lang niya sa akin.
True.
Huwag ka mag-alala, wag ka
Ganun
mag-alala.
talaga kung ano yung malapit, ang hirap
Yes.
puntahan, no?
Oo.
Basta
Also, hi,
someday.
hi.
Yeah. Hello
Hello,
to our
hello, Madam
friends.
Yang.
Yeah. Anong favorite song mo? Kapag nag-workout ka, ano yung kanta mong
Ah.
pinatutog? Is there a
Oh,
favorite
hirap.
song for you?
Waka-waka?
Ang hirap
Ako kasi
Kasi
kapag
podcast yung
Tin- tin-
pinapakinggan ko kapag nag-workout
Ah,
ako
Ay,
eh.
wow!
Ano
Napakabait
ba?
naman ng batang to.
Hindi,
Parang
business
double purpose
podcast,
yan.
madam.
Nag-e-exercise.
Kasi I wanna learn pa
Yes.
habang
Kumbaga
nagbubuhat.
parang
Ah.
maximizing.
Yes.
Purpose, physical and also mental.
Yes. Ako kasi
Nag-exercise
when I
yung
work
ano mo.
out, recently, have you heard of somatic
Exercises,
somatic
yes.
exercise.
To release
So,
the hips.
to release, yes, and
Mm.
everything, the emotional sharva na meron dyan. So, I'm listening kasi, di ba, shake off mo siya, the toxins away, ganyan, the negativity inside. So, I listen to, Tay-Tay's, Shake It Off.
Oh.
Shake
Yes, true.
Nililiteral ko.
Kahit somatic eh, no?
Yes, shake it off talaga ako. Parang yung movement ko talaga buong baka.
Keber, keber.
Oo.
Ganyan. Pero,
Tagalog din, keber,
keber,
keber.
keber.
Yeah.
So,
Oo.
kung kung ma-podcast ka, who do you
Okay.
listen to on a regular basis?
I listen to Diary of a CEO, si Steve Bartlett.
Mm.
So, it's either that or
Napaka-intentional mong tao, no?
fairly, madam. Kasi I try to be mindful of how I spend my time. Kasi ang dami nga talaga. So,
Negativity around the world.
mawarla-warla talaga yung utak ko kapag
Yes.
hindi ko siya inano.
How are you or who are you on your downtimes?
Who am I on my downtime? Oh my God, I just read books. I read books, I play games.
You don't do Netflix?
Sometimes.
Fairly,
Oo.
kasi yung sacred naman namin na time ni Josh is our lunch. So, lagi talaga, kahit anong mangyari, kahit saan ako pumunta, sabay kaming magla-lunch.
Homebodies talaga kayo,
Very
no?
homebodies
Pero
talaga
if you
kami.
go out, saan yung mga gusto nyong pinupuntahan? You do travel a lot?
Not much. Tamad din
Hindi ko
kami.
Tamad
So,
din, tamad din.
talaga.
Kasi talaga, bahay kami. Ganon.
Oo.
But when we go out, we are food travelers. So,
yeah.
kunwari, for example, we go to La Union. We just food trip there. Ang nire-research namin ay hindi sceneries to see. It's the restaurants
So,
to
kapag
try.
pinuntahan namin yung mga
Oo.
IG ninyo or Facebook ninyo, wala kami makikitang dagat. Kundi
Wala.
restaurant and
Wala.
food.
Food
Foodies
talaga.
talaga sila.
We're
Foodies.
foodies
They love
talaga.
food.
Anong
We love
favorite yung food together? Anong cuisine?
Japanese.
Sarap naman kasi talaga ng
Japanese
Japanese.
talaga.
Pero Josh, nagluluto ba siya?
Pareho din kaming tamad, magluto. Alam nyo yun. For the kain lang talaga kami.
Pero never ka ba nag-experience pagluto?
I tried. I am cooking at home. Pero hindi siya yung, parang alam mo yung, lang, experiment.
Yes.
Ano
Ganun.
yung nire-request ni Josh?
No.
Okay, ito naman
Request na madali sa akin, steak.
Oh, madali pa yan. Madali.
Kasi ganun lang
Ganun.
yun. Sa
Sabagay,
mo lang
di ba
yun, di ba?
Parang less than 2 minutes to 3
Oo, less
minutes
na,
lang yun.
mabilis
Pag
pa.
yun nasunog mo pa, ewan ko
Oo,
yan.
mabilis na, turn mo lang ng gano'n.
Pero paano mo siya sinisisan?
Salt and pepper lang.
Salt and pepper lang,
Yeah.
tapos butter.
Yeah,
Pero
that's
actually
it.
the best talaga yun.
Yeah, salt and pepper lang.
Yes, it's the best na talaga.
Yeah.
Ay, ano mga favorite ninyo, activities together bukod sa kumain? Wala
Favorite
na. Malling.
activities namin ni Josh.
Hindi kasi lumalabas si Mo.
We play board games.
diba?
We share our love for books. I also recently read parang manhwas. So parang it's a Korean manga. Ganun.
Anong latest book ang nabasa mo na? Na
Oh my
pwede mo
God.
i-share sa
Na,
amin?
ang favorite book ko of all time, siguro yung mga katulong din for business owners is called Winning, called Tim Grover. So I've been talking about this online on my socials.
Mhm.
And it's a book that I read kapag I feel hopeless. So kanina you mentioned parang what's a movie or
Yes.
na parang pick me up. Pero sa akin, it's really Winning. So it's, si Tim Grover kasi is the coach of Michael Jordan and
Yes.
Kobe.
Yes.
So, siya, parang tinuturo niya doon yung mga lessons in life and in business.
Mhm.
Yung the mindset of being a winner.
Mhm.
And for us, the type A women, type A alpha female,
Shout out to us. Shout out to you
sa ating
out
mga
there.
sa ating
May
mga
mga
bida-bida.
alpha ka, may kakampi ka, hindi masamang maging alpha. It's okay.
yeah, hindi
Yes.
masamang
Sino ba may sabing masama yan?
Yeah.
We support strong
Correct.
independent
Yeah, I
women.
love that. You can maybe research that, everyone. Kung
Winning.
nagustuhan nyo,
Alam mo
comment.
ba yung isang coffee shop, hashtag Beka naman. Hindi, coffee shop sa na may library.
Aha.
Nakita ko yung book na yun. So I really
Maganda
love it.
siya,
Yeah, it's really
madam.
So
good.
ano yung
It's really good.
one thing that you can share to everybody right now about the book winning na po pwede talaga, ito, this can really probably shape your life.
Very real talk to, pero sabi dun sa book na winning can be lonely. So if it might you might feel isolated, you might feel you're lonely, but I also injected yung iba ding mga natutunan ko in life and in business na yes, sometimes it can be lonely, but it's okay to find help. It's
Yes.
okay to talk to people. It's
Mm-mm.
okay to cling on to your family, friends, community.
Yes.
It's okay to be not okay.
Yeah.
Have you ever felt lonely ba?
Hi!
Even until now.
Lagi!
I mean, even until now, with everything na, with all the development, self-development, investments that you are doing for yourself,
Mhm.
being aware of who you are and what you want and why you want them, do you still feel lonely?
Yes, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
1,000 times yes. And that doesn't mean though na if you are lonely, you're failing.
Yes.
Diba?
Mhm.
Lonely is an inevitable feeling.
Mm-hmm.
But I think I just got better into parang
Dealing.
processing and
Mm.
dealing with it na iniisip ko na lang lagi na yes, loneliness is there, but life ebbs and flows.
Mhm.
Hindi naman laging baba, hindi rin
Yes.
laging taas. So, ang prinsipyo ko sa buhay is I am an untethered soul. So,
Mhm.
meaning, I just look at the things that's happening in my life like a river.
Mhm.
So, kung may problema, lilipas din yan.
Just
Kung
go with the
masaya,
flow.
kung masaya ka ngayon, savor it because it's fleeting.
True.
Diba? So, ayun
Yes.
lang. I just try to live in the moment and process what's happening in the moment and how
Yeah.
can I move forward from that? What are the lessons that I learned from that situation? Then move forward.
Yeah, that's very nice. Actually, di ba I always say na it's okay to feel not clinically depressed. You may feel sad. Pero wag mong
Mhm.
tambayan. Diba?
Mhm,
Feel it,
mhm.
acknowledge it,
Yeah.
and then
Seek help.
seek help,
Yeah.
then move forward.
Yeah.
So speaking of that, di ba, your go-to book is the Winning book by Tim Grover. Meron ka bang go-to person aside from Josh? Now, when you're feeling down, if you want someone to talk to, sino yung go-to person mo? Aside from your husband, Josh. Of course, Josh is the
Or your
favorite
family.
person. Your favorite
Outside
person.
of your family. Meron
Yeah.
ba? O sila talaga yung rock mo?
Naku, nung sinabi mong aside from Josh, nasa isip ko ngayon, yung sister ko.
Ah.
Yung sister namin, yung sister kong bunso. Kasi very match din talaga kami ng wavelengths. And parang alam mo yun, minsan safe space na pwede ako magreklamo. Nang I can just be Riza. Parang I'm not the Riza who has businesses. I'm not the Riza who's online. I'm not the Riza na leader. I'm just ate. Alam mo yun, parang stripping away of everything. Ulitin ko lang. Stripping away of everything.
Yes.
I'm Riza.
Yes. Baka that's Candy. Sorry, kasi may tumatawag.
Pero usually ba? Ay,
Sige,
follow-up
continue.
question.
Yes.
Ano ba yung... Nawala tuloy ako.
Sige, mag-hi muna tayo, madam. Hi! Hello! Hello.
Ayan, sige.
Sit down, my
Ano
dear.
sinabi mo? Ano yung ulitin mo ka mo?
Okay na, naulit
Okay
ko
na.
na siya
Yung
in mic.
go-to person.
Yes. Meron kang butt-in eh.
Outside, parang wala. Ay, yung best friend ko, si Jazel. Hi, Madam Jaz.
Yes.
So, we also work together in our companies. So, yun nga, I work with my best friend. She's my childhood friend since 10 years old.
Wow,
Then we
tagal
work
na.
together sa
Are
mga
you still
sa
friends with your
businesses.
best friend ng kid?
Yes, pero kasi, ano lang, hindi, wala yun na siya eh.
Ay, hindi sila
Yeah.
kasi solid.
We're
kayo,
still
even
together.
though we're still
Together.
friends. Yeah.
Pinakamatagal na relationship ko na yan si Jazel.
That's how she values relationship.
Yes.
Kasi it's very nice to know na, kasi usually, yun nung wala eh, yung people who constantly gives you love. Yun lang,
Yes.
surround yourself with growth-minded people
Yes.
and people who gives you constant love.
Yeah.
Diba?
And speaking of love, kasi malapit na, mauubusan
Malapit
na naman
na
tayo
yung
ng
Valentine's
oras.
Day.
Hindi, malapit na naman ang oras natin. Si Direk, kumakat-kat na,
Tama.
ganun.
Tama
Pero,
ng kuda daw.
speaking of love, ang gusto kong matanong sa'yo is that, what do you love about yourself right now?
Oh, what I love about myself right now is that I've grown into being a malleable being.
Gusto ko
Um,
yan, malleable. Yeah.
Yung na-form ka into different shapes
Yes.
and you're still
You're just
okay.
open, yeah.
And you're still okay. You're open with whatever life throws at you. You're open with paano ba ako masha-shape ng experience na to. Kasi I feel like life is so short. And ang dami, never tayo maubusan ng problema. Never tayo maubusan ng hassle. Pero I always cling on to what are the lessons that can shape me from this experience. What are the core memories that I got from this situation. Kasi kahit, alam mo yun, may mga times na lugmok talaga yung feeling mo. But there will be light.
Yes.
After
there
the
would
tunnel.
always be a light at the tunnel. Ano
Yeah.
yung silver lining?
Ano ba
Yeah.
yung core
Yes.
memories na nandun? Yung tipong, oh, my best friend just went sa bahay just because tumabi lang siya sa akin, hindi niya ako kailangang i-suppress. Wala lang, makikinig ka lang sa akin, ganon. And I think that's also one thing that, if there's one thing that I would share sa ating listeners and viewers right now is that life's already difficult. So, parang sana i-embrace natin yung paghihirap at yung sarap ng buhay.
Choose your
Yes.
difficult,
Yes.
sabi nga nila.
Also
Choose your
that,
yeah.
choose your
Yes,
difficult.
yes.
Kasi, for sure, meron tayong matututunan at matututunan. And in life, both in life and in business, being malleable, being adaptable to whatever the universe throws at you is a skill. Is a
Sabi
super
nga ni
skill.
Darwin, diba? Those who are ready to adopt, they are the ones talaga na magkakaroon ng changes in life.
Yes.
Right?
Kasi minsan, kasi way back when I was younger, I used to, really push back all the
You don't
problema,
want
all the
it.
hassle. Oh, hindi ako
Yes.
pwede maging malungkot kasi kailangan ko mag-function.
And what you resist persist. Diba?
Correct. Yeah. So ngayon, parang okay, fine. Mararamdaman kong malungkot ako ngayon. It's okay. That's gonna pass. Okay, next time naman, happy ako. I will savor this while it lasts.
Yes.
I have a question, very curious. Because you are very famous online.
Not.
Yes, you are. You are.
Yes, you are. Diba sometimes, usually, other celebrities, they only show what's good, what's happening good in their life. How about you? Do you also share to your viewers or followers
The
the
not so
down
good.
moments?
Mm-mm.
Kasi from there, you can give inspiration as
Yeah.
well, right? Or you rarely share your
Ah.
down moments with them.
Ako, madam, I'm not scared of being vulnerable online because that's me. And sa totoo lang, yung isa sa mga prinsipyo ko talaga in terms of showing up online is kung ano ako in online, ganun din ako in
Yes.
person.
Mahirap
Gusto ko
kasi
ganon.
double cara ba yung
Yeah.
ganun, no?
Yes.
Tsaka gusto ko ring ipakita kung ano ba yung, kasi may kita ng mga tao, wow, she has 14 businesses, she's
She's
glamorous,
perfect.
she's well put together. No, I'm not.
Ayun,
I'm
that's
not
why you
put
have posts
together.
nga, diba? Na ano, parang wala lang.
Yeah.
Ganyan,
I show up online without makeup madalas. I share my hassles, I share my stories, mga kahasela ng negosyo ko na hindi talaga siya glamorosa at all. And I think that's what's, I would probably think that's what sets me apart from others because hindi ako takot magpakita na nahahassle pa rin ako sa negosyo. Kasi yun naman talaga yung totoong nangyayari. Hassle yung negosyo. And the fun part and the not so fun parts of business.
Yeah, that's
what
makes you
oo,
human.
it does make you human. And yan yung gusto ng tao. Yung makita na, sino ba talaga si Riza Lana?
At saka mahirap din kasi yung mabuhay ka in a world of make-believe that
Mm.
everything is okay, everything is just
Yes.
happy, flowery,
Yeah.
blossomy, blushy.
Yeah.
right?
And the viewers now are
Powerpuff.
smart.
Yep.
Yes.
They
wanna
know
can
know.
if
see
you
through
are
you.
faking it
At saka
or
ang hirap
showing
din
what's
nun
real.
when you keep on giving this facade, giving this image na you're okay, you're this great person. Pag dumating yung time that you need help from other people, it would
Yeah.
be so hard for you to actually get it. Kasi
True.
people think that you can handle everything. There's
Yeah.
nothing na hindi mo kayang gawin. Diba? So vulnerability really is a superpower in itself.
And
as well.
actually, mas maraming na-inspire sa mga ganong situation.
Yes.
Kasi, like you, they also experience that. Ano kayang
Mm-hmm.
gagawin ng isang Miss Riza Lana? Maybe I can get inspiration from that as well.
Yes.
Mhm.
Last question for you. What is
Last
your
na!
Last na?
What is your mantra? Ano yung motto in life mo? Except for ano yung mga motto?
Hindi na pala
Sa
siya
slang
motto
book.
ngayon. Mantra na ang
Mantra
term.
na yan. Kasi nung high school
Mantra.
tayo, ang
Motto.
tawag, what
What's
is
your
your
motto?
motto? Tapos ang mga motto mo, o kaya yung mga love quotes mo, ano yung ikaw yung favorite mo love quote?
Love is
Love
is
is
God.
like
Wow.
And then, ako talaga popular sa amin, time
Love-
is gold.
Oo, time is gold, diba?
Love is like
Too
a
many to
rosary.
mention.
Yes. Pero wala talagang maisip.
Wala
Sabay
maisip.
scroll. Pero
Mm.
ikaw, what's your motto in life right now?
My life's mission is to help people as much as I can, however I can, whenever I can.
Yes.
Bigyan ng kapa ito. Direct.
Ganun jacket.
Kapa. Kapa yung bibigay
Di ba na
natin.
ngayon?
So, salamat sa iyo, Lana. Salamat. Riza Lana Sebastian. Biglang yung ginitna natin. So, Riza, thank you so much for all
Thank
your
you so much.
wisdom, for sharing your feminine energy with all of us. Talagang sobrang relax, kalmado.
Parang hashtag sana all.
Sana-
Pwede bang maging Disney princess na rin?
Oo. Pwede ganun pala. Pwede namang ganun na lang, kalmado lang lahat. Pero maraming salamat for bringing in your wisdom and your femininity in our show today. Kasi kami ni Jem parang nagtago muna yung feminine side namin. Pero, Riza, in case lang, of course, hindi in case to, no? Para sa mga viewers and mga listeners din natin na nabitin, okay, at gusto pa nilang matuto from you, saan ka nila po
Yes.
pwedeng makontak? Or saan saan ka pa nila po pwedeng mapanood o mapakinggan?
Okay, thank you
Yes.
again for having me. And congratulations again on
Gayahin
Slambog
natin siya.
Millionaire.
It's our pleasure.
It's our pleasure. You know,
Namaste.
Malalaman ng tao.
Ang
If we're
pangit.
faking it.
Hindi bagay. It's our pleasure, Riza. Thank you so much.
so eto na nga mga madam. So if nabitin po kayo, maraming salamat po for having me here again. If you want
course.
more, you can follow me on @RizaLana. That is my handle. I am on all of your platforms. And you can also listen to our podcast called Camp Confidence Radio. It's all on your, paano ba yun? Wherever you listen your Wherever you
Spotify.
listen to your podcasts. Ganon.
Ganon.
Yeah.
Yan. Tingnan nyo na lang po dito sa below this video, makikita po ninyo
Ganyan,
yung
ganyan.
handle
Ganyan.
ni Riza. And also, especially na natin, shout out natin yung Mink.
Oh,
yeah. I love
yes.
it.
I'm a
It's-
fan.
yes.
Out of the 14 businesses po, truth be told, yung Mink po, yung favorite ko so far. Kasi
Yes.
syempre yung barbershop, yung barber, hindi ko naman po
Oo.
pwede magustuhan yun. Pero yung Mink, I'm using
Mink
it
PH,
for...
right? Mink PH.
Yes.
Or
Mink
Mink.
PH, pero one of the products na sobrang, yung kulay pink.
Yes. I-push nyo yan, mga
Push
mare
na yan
ko.
mga Ben, no?
Oo.
Lalo na sa ating mga Filipina.
Madam,
Matatapos na tayo. Gusto mo may papakwento
ano ikikwento? O sige, pwede natin isingit if bet mo. Ay, wow,
Ano yung
mas marunong
favorite
pa.
sa Mink?
Mm.
Ano yung favorite product mo and favorite product ni Josh?
Yun na nga
Oh
yun.
my God. Oh my God.
Kwento na,
R18.
kwento.
R18 na.
ba?
R18.
Sige, share dyan.
Oh my God.
Bas inama mo pa kasi.
Ay, huwag niyo
Kasi,
ilagay sa
yung
TikTok,
favorite-
ha?
Ako na
Okay.
lang. Ako
Ayun.
na lang to be safe. Yung favorite ko yung kulay pink, di ba?
Oo.
Yun. So,
Sige, sasabihin ko na
Oh,
rin.
sige.
Para masaya
Product
tong
mo
podcast
yun,
natin.
okay.
Okay. Ang favorite ko is the booty scrub. So, yun
Yes,
yung
I love
pampasmooth
that.
ng butt. Tapos, ang favorite... ang favorite ni Josh ay Happy Nippy. O,
Yes.
isipin nyo na kung ano yung gusto nyo
Bakit, no?
isipin.
Research nyo, happy
Okay.
pero,
Nippy.
when we were in Baguio and they were telling about the product, so habang nagkukwento siya nito yung mga produkto, I already went to the website and then
Yeah.
scroll, napa-order kagad ako nila mga products. Agad-agad.
Kasi
no?
aminin nyo, gusto nyo din.
And
Yes.
then, so I
Tsaka,
used it.
It's for us to embrace our sexuality
Amen to
and
that.
totoo naman.
alagaan ang ating body as
Oh,
well. So
yes.
there's no
Yes.
shame in
The
that.
confidence from within.
Yeah.
Ako
Right?
ang favorite ko is yung color green. Yung
Yeah.
para sa mga kasingit-singitan.
Our
Kasi-
bikini line.
Yes, bikini line.
Ako
So
kasi nung
preparing for the
sinabi mo na
summer.
yung Happy Nippy, maganda siya, ganyan. So I tried it. And then isa siya dun sa mga unang products na binili ko. And eto na nga po, no, naka-order na ulit ako,
I love
4.
it. I love it. Madam, gusto ko
Apat
rin pala
agad.
i-plug. Kasi
Yes.
we're also building this business community. So if you have listeners or viewers who are looking for communities as well ng negosyo, I'd also like to plug our community called Entrepreneurs Cradle. So we are at Entrepreneurs Cradle. Sa lahat po ng mga platforms, we talk about business, strategies,
Yes.
ganyan. So,
Yeah, mga girl empowerment, CEO, diba? CEO
Yes.
Power Girls.
If
ganyan.
you want to start your own business and you want some inspiration, go to
Entrepreneurs Cradle.
Yeah, and who else to learn entrepreneurship but
from
from somebody who already made it not just
Yes.
once but 14 times.
serial
Right?
entrepreneur.
Serial entrepreneurship at your best. So maraming salamat once again, Riza. And of course, we also once again thank our sponsor, Pillow Bed
Yes.
PH.
If you like our setup,
Yes,
it's
very
here,
cozy.
yes, at Pillow Bed.
Yes, and if you have, especially ngayon na bagong taon, tawag dito, maybe you have friends or mga relatives coming from abroad and they're looking for a place to stay in. Ayaw naman nila na ma-hassle kayo kasi titira sa mga bahay ninyo. Choose Pillow Beds PH because the units po na meron sa Pillow Beds, they're in the heart of the city. In fact, they're in Eastwood.
Yes.
They're just 2 to 3 minutes walk away. Lakad, as in
from the
literal.
mall, right?
Yung 2 to 3 minutes yan, depende pa po yan kung gaano kakabagal maglakad, no? 3 minutes kapag ganyan kakabagal, ako yun. Okay? So, ganun po kaganda dito sa lugar na to. And complete amenities na rin po sila. So, go here, contact Pillow Beds PH for your Airbnb needs. At the same time, we also want to thank another sponsor po namin, Pillow Bread PH for this bulletproof coffee drink.
and sugar-free green slushy. So if you are
Yes.
looking for healthy drinks
Yes.
while drinking like coffee, yan.
This is bulletproof. So if you are into keto or you're very, tawag dito, mindful, very mature, hindi, very mindful, kung ano po yung mga nilalagay nyo sa katawan ninyo, just like Riza here,
Yes.
choose Pillow Bread PH po. I love this coffee, honestly. It's bulletproof, so hindi po siya nakakasira, lalo na kapag nagpa-fasting po kayo, nasa
Oh,
IF
yes.
kayo. So it's really good. And then yung mga juices and smoothies din po nila, they don't add any sugar on it. Napaka 100% natural. That's why it's really, really, really good for your body. So thank you,
And
Pillow
they come
Bread.
to different flavors. Like they
Yes,
have
they have
strawberry,
speech. Yes.
they have
eto.
these greens, they
They
have
also have yung mga gingers if you want
Yes.
sa morning. Yan. So, pang detox, complete po talaga sila. Maraming salamat sa iyo,
Thank you
Clara
so
de
much.
Herrera, for sponsoring our show. Also, we
Of
want to
course.
thank our partners.
yes, our hair and makeup partner Lance. And also
Lance Hair and Makeup
co-creating.
Services, yes.
Co-creating, thank you so much for
Yeah.
helping us doing our podcast.
Podcast,
And
yes.
most especially, sino pa ba? Makakalimutan ba natin?
The one and only.
Loris Trainings by Loris
By Loris
Enterprises Inc.
Enterprises. So maraming salamat po sa inyo dyan sa Loris Enterprises. Parang tayo rin pala yung pinasalamatan natin. No? But if you're looking for an event that would help you gain self-mastery for bigger, financial success, go to Loris Trainings because we have it all.
Yeah, because 1, 2, 3, we transform
transform
lives.
So maraming salamat till our next episode.
Thank
Bye!
you. Thank you so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this episode, share this to your social media accounts and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear from you.
If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, share it with us at Slambog Millionaire PH.
Make sure that you're subscribed so that you get notified for our next episode.
If you know a millionaire or maybe you are the millionaire, let us know.
We'd love to have you on the show, definitely. We'd love to hear your story as well. And of course, don't forget, follow us as well at Joanna Marie Lazaro.
And Jev Aurelio.
See you in the next episode, Millionaire!